11:29, right? All right, folks. I'm in South County in St. Louis or Lindbergh. I'm with the Hammer. His mom named him Kyle, but everybody else calls him the Hammer. We'll find out why in a minute. But I'm the garbage disposal. My mom named me Brandon for some reason. But we have an hour to eat this, and the fastest time at this store wins this location. But you have 8 locations in around all of them. But there's 8 different locations in the cities that they had the raffle on who shared the most. The 8 cities that shared the most had got to pick to do this. If you get the fastest time out of all 8, you can get $2,500 pizza gift card. And I'm going to need that. Here's our pizza, and it is hefty.
Oh, yeah.
That is a giant pizza. And the fastest time I heard was Orlando at 11 minutes and 29 seconds. My buddy Michael Jenkins has that time with his partner. So we're looking to still be friends, but I'm looking to beat that. Okay. So we'll get started here in about 10 minutes when it cools down, about 5 minutes, and we'll be ready to go. Hey, how are you doing? I am hungry.
You are? That's good.
Yes.
Yeah, Brandon, Kyle. Look over this way. Get you guys a picture with it. Cut nobody's head off.
Too tall.
Yeah, he's a little taller than us, isn't he?
Oh my word. Hey Kyle, look.
What?
Guys.
You guys let me know when you're ready to start.
Once you get 2 full, it's not going to be good.
So when you're ready, we'll do a 3, 2, 1 countdown. Okay. And then we'll start.
Okay, and maybe somebody on hand to give me some more water if we need some more water.
Sure.
Okay.
Yep.
All right, whenever you want to do it.
All right. Good luck, guys. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. 4.5 minutes down, guys. Great.
Okay. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you want to watch it on Roku on your TV, please search the Garbage Disposal and lock that in. I have shirts in. This is unisex shirts. On those, I have a choice of Have a Great Day, Unless You Made Other Plans, or That's What She Said. Have them all the way from small to 5X, excluding 4X. Also, I have brand new shirts in of the women's cuts. The women's cuts only come in Have a Great Day, Unless You Made Other Plans, but I have them all the way from small to extra large. I also have tank tops in women's already right now, and I have tanks in men's in probably the spring or the summertime. So get with me on my social media, and it's right here on the home page, right here in the top right corner. You can get with me. The best to get with me is my Gmail, and just put t-shirts as the subject title. But any of those you can probably try to get with me at. But subscribe to my page, hit the notification bell to get notified of upcoming events, live streams, and videos. Please hit the like button for me, and if you could, please share with your family, friends, and even your boss. Have a great day, unless you made other plans.